Dark leafy greens vegetables are all the range among health conscious eaters. Green leafy vegetables are some of the most important food. They provide you with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that keep you healthy. Hi guys, today we are talking about dark leafy green. Swiss chard, this may be the healthiest green you are not eating. In Swiss chard, we have vitamin C, A, and K as well as iron, magnesium, and potassium. Swiss chard is a nutritional powerhouse. It can supporting bone health, boosting immunity system, and healthy digestion. Swiss chard has a different flavor that not everyone appreciates. Its taste great suited with garlic and onion. Collard greens. This southern favorite has large leathery leaves and a somewhat mild flavor, but its though texture call for longer cooking time than other greens. This leafy green is an excellent source of vitamin K and C and a powerhouse of vitamin A. Additionally, collard greens are rich in folate, calcium, and iron, contributing to heart health, red blood cell production, and improving energy levels. Per 100 grams collard greens, calories 32, carbohydrates 6 grams, fiber 4 grams, protein 2 grams, and fat 0.5 grams. Collard greens are low in calories and carbs. The leaves can be used as a substitute for proteins wraps. Spinach. How can we talk about the healthiest green leafy vegetable and not mention spinach? There are many different kinds, but the most common is flat or smooth leaf spinach, which you can easily find at local stores. They contain ample amount of nutrients including vitamin K, A, C, E, and B12. Also folate, calcium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and fiber. They support muscle mass, bone density, heart health, and kidney function. Spinach is also known for its high protein content. It contains a whopping 3 grams of protein per 100 gram serving. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in various dishes, spinach adds nutritional punch to any meal. What's your favorite green leafy vegetable? Let us know in the comments below. We will love to hear from you.